Batisi TV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, dan Maxi Sport Scooter Aerox 155. Ringkat baganet foodish, ordar mapi, nginwan ramani, hakir dobyeng jompi.
Ka Jingangnud ka Slem pha jogi Paidbah ka than Rambrai. Banyo ano elaka jong ka Community and Rural Development Block. Kalawan urlong haka khandai trik unai weng arhajar arpuar. Hadien bo Menteri Rangba ka Jilau Konrad Kongkel Sangma ulabu eu monong rem haka Jingelang ka Belong haka Snong Rambrai West Castles District. Haka ni ka Jingelang la sakilang do MLA jong ka Rambrai constituency uba Kimfa S Marbanyang u MDC ka Rambrai uba Bajok Pingrop u Deputy Commissioner jong West Castles District uba Garret LNS Dykes ki officer sorkar bat ki Paidbah nong Shnong.
Hoi! Hoi! Inso baha balik ha kecaka balik ya ke registration. Kentiu montis nongsi.
Ikrar ipun sosuai ki, babalai ni kam ya asli ki blok ha ke konsulsi itu. Kisna ilong di sosu, ilong di blok perian ini ajmut di jongiru. Bagai yang kadang makini kiamut ki ay na masuk dia kini di blok ini. Kerana kini ki kerana kalau kini hawa, mulai ki Paidbah jom kali kerana kai, menda pasti dia sakit, ya kai di banginak lah, banginak keren, asmat tu Paidbah. Kalau kai ini maksudnya, nama kini kiamut ki bayalam. Yang akan dikasih bahkan dalam jenis terjuni. Ikwa pemeri kamu dah terang bagi Paidbah. Na ikwaro bagi Paidbah kinejan bagi soka. Di gini ulang, diulang nama apa dari kejini. Tempat kejumpi, bak dari Jingangnud kejumpi. Bahkan itu kuaro. Tiga di Paidbah yang Islam apa ikwa yang dikelah. Kasdang hari kasih bagi nolak yang dikelah hak orang lain dalam konstitusi. Beli bagi sorok kelakar, beli bagi bon bistim kiloan hanya konstitusi kejongi. Dari ini saya nak kejongi, jongi kiloan kuat buat kesuka. Tinggi mana isu pun benar isu yang jongi. Mereka dijual, jin semua. Pagi ini dua ini bagi, yuk kami pokoknya punya, bahkan cukup kuat. Tidak mak dan cakri, ya kadang bertahan itu.
Si kapan sak jika mau, bah hakabarok way kejelah. Rambrai Jernam konstituensi, kabayang boda nadu nantai na Eastern West Castles District, kakut shadow chatir, kaboda North Garwels District. Kumba sispa 100 kilometer terpilih dekat kali. Kadang ke sorkar MDA, ke YOI, ya ke jingjar jom ki Paidbah nang Shnong, labun Slem. Bat kala YOI, balak deserve, balak keladan hok, ke Rambrai, bahkan yo artili ki C&Rd blok. Ngaturai, hakanya ke C&Rd blok. Kebanyakan anda berit hakanya kesini. Kakat kriteria banyak blok kadai ke population arpo ajar tam. Bandrai hangnya tengahnya po Rambrai C&Rd blok ke population ngakrai honorable DC danangnya ke poisno laipon rewajar hakanya ke new blok. Kata kadai KI keba kadai ke sorkar klai ke jenjar Kajingot Jingnam Jompi di Paidbah nang Shnong. Kano kilometer berat sikata pihak namnya napa Rambrai Shadu Langston. Nama Udo Shadu Langston. Nakersyai Shadu Langston. Henry Nisoban ai kejingkumlei. Kung nang mikrat jongkale konstituensi. Nasoban ai kejingkumlei. Yang Honorable Chief Minister Badan Burang Jongi ubalas ngap yang kena jingwat jingnam jom kipat nang Shnong jom Rambrai Jernam konstituensi.
I thank all of you for coming out in large numbers to be part of this very, very memorable program that we're having today. In today's program, it is not just the C&Rd block, but there are many more programs that are combined along with this program. But before I get into the other programs, I would like to share with you that the government of Meghalaya, this NPP-led government, this MDA government, has always been committed towards serving the people of our state. We have always maintained that we will keep people first in every decision that we take. We have promised the people that for us, we will ensure that we bring administration closer to the people, and not just bringing administration closer to the people, we will ensure that the administration works in a much more efficient manner to bring better governance to our people. And it is with this objective and this vision and this goal that I am here today along with your local MLA, along with the MLA from Longstoin and our MDC from Rambrai, to share this great moment with you where we are inaugurating this new C&Rd block. And you have to remember, when I say inaugurating, we are not laying foundation stone. The block will start functioning from today. This is the inauguration. That means BDO will start sitting here. Our BDO also is a young man. I'm sure that he will work with full and complete dedication to the people of Rambrai area. To get the system in place may take us a few months to get all the services rolled out, but I can assure you, and I would also like to urge the BDO, I would like to urge the C&Rd department, and I would like to urge the Deputy Commissioner to ensure that the Rambrai C&Rd block becomes fully functional with all infrastructure that is required and the manpower required, so that the people of this area can get the complete service of a full and functional block. I would also like to inform you that the blocks are the core development units for our state. The blocks are the most important administrative units when it comes to the schemes and programs that are meant for the people. And hence, it is very important that there should be accessibility to the blocks at all different levels in all corners of the state. For the people of Rambrai in the past, they had to go to very far off locations to be able to get basic services of the block. But now, with the functioning and setting up and inauguration of this block, I'm sure that the service will come closer to the people. At the same time, I would like to inform you that we are making changes in some of the administration functioning of subdivisions and blocks also. One of the most important decisions that we will be taking and doing is that we will be opening accessibility for application of different certificates, which normally happens in subdivisions because the ADCs are required to process it. We are going to work towards changing the rules so that people can make application for certificates at the block level itself. And hence you won't have to travel to subdivisions. The process might take place in subdivision and the certificate may be issued by the subdivision, but the people of the region and the area will not have to travel to subdivisions only just because they have to apply for a certificate. We will try to make it as fast as possible that the applications can be done even in the block offices. This we feel will be a major benefit for the people of our state.